Inside the following videos, we are going to take a look how to optimize the images that we are going to be using not only inside our Joomla templates, but inside any Joomla website in general. Now down below, you are going to be able to see Download Joomla Secrets, and you are going to be able to get this picture that you are looking on your screen right now. And as you can see, let me go back inside my Windows Explorer. If we analyze the dimensions and the size behind this picture, you are going to have 361 kilobytes, and the dimensions are going to be 180 times 497. So let me go back. And optimization, my friends, it is going to be really easy to understand, because the only thing you will need to take care, or the two things that you will need to always take care is number one, reduce the size, the weight of your image as much as you can. This is really important, because the less weight you put inside the image, the better for your website, okay? And the other thing you will need to keep in mind is to always reduce the dimensions. Always try to use the right dimensions inside your Joomla websites. For instance, if I go in here and I use the developer toolbar, let me click on miscellaneous and then display ruler. If I want to insert an image inside this right column, I won't be inserting an image which will have bigger dimensions than this column itself. What I need to do in this case is, of course, get the dimensions from this column. And as you can see, I will have the dimensions 280 width, and the height could go from 150 and beyond. In this case, what it is going to matter will be the width, because we want to have a picture that will fit this specific position from my Joomla template. Again, first you will need to reduce the size as much as you can behind your picture, and that will be the weight. And then you will need to transform the dimensions behind that picture, because you want to use only a picture with the right dimensions. You don't want to use a bigger picture which won't fit and won't look right behind your template. Now let me show you the basic settings inside Adobe Fireworks. Right now I will be using CS3, but if you are using CS5, don't worry, it will be the same. Let's go to second up in here, and if you don't see for some reason the Optimize and Align panel, you will need to go to Windows and find in here the Optimize panel in here, okay? So let me go back in here, and down here you are going to be able to see the new quality behind this image. Let me click in here, PNG 32. That will be a lot better than the original size, which will be 361 kilobytes. Now we are going to have 102.89 kilobytes. Let's try something else. Let's go to PNG8. Now normally I will recommend you to use the PNG8. Let me click in here inside the hand tool, the PNG8, so you can actually keep reducing the image that you are optimizing. And inside the colors, if you keep reducing these numbers, the dimension down there will keep going down. So let me show you. If I go to the number 2, if you notice, now the size went down. However, the quality of the image, it won't be the same. Let's go up a little bit. That will be a little bit better, but not yet. Let's go to 64. Actually, that will be a lot better, and if we analyze the size, that will be 27, almost 28 kilobytes. And if we analyze again the original size, 361, and now we are going to have 28 kilobytes. Again, it will be a lot better. The other option you can analyze will be the JPEG quality. Let's go ahead and click in here and choose the better quality. If you notice, that will be a lot better because you are going to be saving more kilobytes while using the JPEG quality. Now this won't always apply. Keep that in your mind. So you will need to play around with the qualities because sometimes a dark image will be better inside a JPEG quality and some other times that won't apply. So you will need to play with the JPEG quality in here, and you can reduce the quality to in here. You can see the quality is getting reduced behind the image. If I go in here, let's go in there, 34. So you can play in here when you are using the JPEG quality. And if you want to go back to PNGA, you can click in here and then play with the colors. So these are going to be the two recommendations that I am going to be recommending you to use while using Adobe Fireworks. In the following videos we are going to practice a little bit more, and I am going to share with you some other tools that you can use online using the case that you don't have Adobe Fireworks.